Okay, welcome everyone. So in this session, I will create a tutorial for installing Apache Superset on Centos. Okay, we can go to the terminal. Okay, the first thing to do, we have to update the system package in the server. So I will update the package. Okay, it's already resolved. And the next one, I will create a folder for directory of superset. I think we can use this folder and go to the folder. After this, we will create a Python virtual environment into this folder. Okay, Python 3. Okay, it's already created, and we can activate the PNV using source. Okay, next one, we will do the upgrade of pip installation. Okay, I already have this script. Okay, done. Okay, pip install Apache Superset, Gunicorn, and gevent. It will take more time. Maybe we can wait. Okay, I think it's already finished. Okay, after we install the database driver like PostgreSQL, it's already installed, and we can install extension for exporting PDF for Superset. And for the next configuration, we have to create a file for Superset configuration. But before that, we have to create a user and database. So we need to go to the PostgreSQL and we have to create a database. We call it Superset database. Execute. Okay, it's already exists, and we can create a user Superset with password same as username Superset. Execute. Okay, I already create the user and database. Just make sure you follow the steps, and we grant all privilege to the user and database Superset to username Superset. Okay, granted. Next one. Okay, I think we need to quit to the main directory. Okay, source PNP then activate. Okay, we already inside the PNP, and we can go through for the next step. Next step, we will have to create the superset config.python. So superset config py, and we add in this file. I already have the script. So the secret key, later we will create a random secret key, and for this one, the parameter ASCII alchemy database URI, we need to define same as our created before. It's username for Superset, the password is Superset, this is the host name, and this is the port, and this is the database name Superset. To save it first. Okay, we can create open SSL secret key using this script. Open SSL run bash 6442. Okay, this is the secret key. We can back again to the file. As it, save it. Okay, finish. Okay, maybe we can add the special permission. Okay, after this, we have to upgrade the repository of Superset into the PostgreSQL. We can run superset db upgrade. Enter. Okay, it's processing. Okay, it's already complete. The next, we create an admin user for Superset. Okay, I already have the script. Superset fab create admin, username admin, first name admin, last name user. email admin@sample.com, password superset 182. Okay, enter. Okay, admin user created. It's already created, and next one we init the superset. Okay, it's already complete, and we can try to run the superset. Superset run h000. The port is 888 with threads. Run it. Okay, I think it's already done, and we can try to the server. Okay, for this case, I'm using the different IP. Port is 188. Okay, continue with the site. Oh, I think there is step that I forgot. We need to open the port. Back again to the terminal. I think we need to open ports. Okay, maybe we can close the surface, and we add the port 88. Success, and we reload the port firewall. Okay, let's try to run again. Okay, it's already deployed, and maybe we can try admin. We can hit admin here, and password is superset. Sign in. Okay, it's already done. We already have installed the Apache Superset in CentOS. or maybe we can create a connection for PostgreSQL. Okay, connect database. You can try connect to PostgreSQL. Okay, this is a preview of the table of column in PostgreSQL. Okay, I think we already finished to set the dataset. Okay, I think we have done here, and see you for the next tutorial.